Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to enable or disable full screen mode in Chrome web browser. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Google Chrome browser on your computer. Once Chrome is up and running, you'll be happy to know there are actually two different methods you can use to toggle full screen mode, giving you flexibility depending on your preference. Let's start with the quickest method, which is using a keyboard shortcut. Simply press the F11 key on your keyboard, and Chrome will instantly expand into full screen mode. This hides the address bar, bookmarks, and all toolbars, giving you maximum screen space for whatever you're viewing. It's perfect for presentations, watching videos, or when you just want to focus without distractions. To exit full screen mode and return to normal view, just press F11 again. It's that simple and works instantly. Now, if you prefer using your mouse or if the keyboard shortcut isn't convenient at the moment, there's a second method. Look at the upper right corner of your Chrome window and click on the three vertical dots. This opens Chrome's main menu where you can access various settings and features. Once the menu appears, look for the zoom section. You'll see options to adjust your page zoom level, but right beside the zoom percentage, there's a small full screen icon. Click on this icon and Chrome will immediately switch into full screen mode, just like with the keyboard shortcut. This method is especially useful if you're already navigating through Chrome's settings or if you simply prefer clicking over using keyboard shortcuts. When you're ready to exit full screen mode after using the second method, you can simply press the F11 key on your keyboard again. This brings back all your toolbars, address bar, and tabs, returning Chrome to its standard window view. And that's it. You now know both methods for enabling and disabling full screen mode in Chrome, whether you prefer the lightning-fast keyboard shortcut or the mouse-driven menu approach. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.